manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, mangez bananou, mangez bananou.
Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from basic to baddie in like 10 minutes, y'all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my friend's makeup. I hope you guys enjoy. First things first, we're going to go ahead and brush her eyebrows with a spoolie. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pen. I actually got this from Ulta Beauty. Super freaking convenient. It's not like too harsh and you can barely see it. It just makes it look really freaking natural when you use this. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean this up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Don't mind the other eyebrow. I know it looks crooked right now, but we are going to fix that. My friend was talking a lot, moving her eyebrows, but don't worry, we are going to go ahead and fix that. First, I am going to add this Tarte concealer to her eyelids to kind of get it nice and even, and then I'm going to go back in and fix that with a pencil. So here we are going back in with that pencil. Don't mind my friend, she is super animated and super silly and goofy. So yeah, she's gonna stop me and we're gonna laugh quite a few times here. But yeah. As I said before, she's super goofy and so am I. So now that we have fixed her eyebrows, we are going to go in with this Anastasia palette. I'm going to go ahead and use this pinkish color. She wanted to obtain like this pink and purple color, so that's the look that we are going for, because that's going to be the color of her dress. She is going to a wedding today. So yeah. And the purple that we're going to be using is from my Juvia's palette. So it's not from the same Anastasia palette that you see here now. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. This is my first time doing a makeup tutorial on someone else on my channel. So leave plenty of comments if you guys enjoy this and likes. I will be trying to do more videos of like me doing makeup on other people more often for you guys, so you guys can see different faces and different looks. Disclaimer, also, I am not a makeup artist. I personally feel like makeup is makeup. You can kind of try to like, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can just kind of freestyle it and you know, do what it does, and if it looks good, then hey, there you have it. But maybe in the future I am considering getting certified so I know all the cool techniques and so forth. I shouldn't say that there is no right or wrong way to do it, because I actually feel like sometimes you can pretty much screw up your makeup if you're not doing the right things. So I shouldn't say there is no right or wrong way to do it. But yeah. And here we are going in with that purple from my Juvia's palette, and we're just doing just kind of like the ends here of the eyelid, kind of like a smoky eye but with purple. Now these lashes that I'm gonna go ahead and put on her, I did receive them from Amazon. They are mink lashes and they are 20mm 3D. And as I said before, and I'm gonna keep saying this, she is super animated and goofy. So here we are going to be going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Absolutely swear by this foundation, y'all. This lasts all day. Like it says, can't stop, won't stop. It won't stop. It's not gonna get oily on you. I absolutely love this foundation. It's kind of hard to find like your exact color. Sometimes I feel like you have to mix your foundation, and that's why she keeps putting her hand up, because she was a bit concerned that it wasn't her color. But we're gonna tone it down with the bronzer in just a few moments, as you guys will be able to see. And here we are just blending our lives away, blending all up under the neck area and all that jazz. And we're just gonna keep laughing because we're super goofy. I apologize because my head actually just keeps getting in the way. This is my first time doing a makeup tutorial on someone else, as I said before, so maybe I'll learn some do's and don'ts for next time. And here we're gonna go ahead and conceal with the Tarte, and I have this in the color Deep. Absolutely love this concealer, y'all. It just goes on so nice to me, and it lasts all day. I used to be a fan of the LA Girl concealer, but now I have found my true love when it comes to concealer, and I absolutely love the Tarte.
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city.
So we are going to be setting her face with the LA Pro setting powder, and I think I have this color in like a medium deep color. And now we're gonna go ahead and tone everything down with my bronzer. I also use this to basically contour. Absolutely love this freaking bronzer, guys. Like, it just goes on so nice. Like, I feel like I always have to have this when I'm doing my makeup. It tones everything down, especially if you feel like your foundation is a little bit too light. So as you guys can see, I'm just toning everything down, and look how that's coming together so nicely. I know some people might do their steps a little bit different, but this is how I do my steps when I'm doing my makeup personally. So yeah, but yeah, absolutely love this bronzer, and it's from CoverGirl, so super affordable. And I am also going to contour her nose with the same bronzer. Like I said, I absolutely love this. And maybe I need to get into like different types of contouring type of makeup, but absolutely love this bronzer though. And here we are almost done. I'm just wiping off the setting powder that I had on her face, kind of blending everything in together. She couldn't help but laugh at this part right here. And then we are adding her highlight on those cheekbones, making them pop. All right. As y'all can see, she's gonna be doing a whole lot of stuff behind my back that I didn't see until I started editing this video. Super funny. And last but not least, for her lipstick, we're gonna go with more like a nude type of color. So we're going in first with the brown color. This is from Maybelline. It is their super matte all day type of a liquid lipstick, but it does get super dry. So here I'm just basically blending it all in. And then I am gonna go in with my butter gloss from NYX at the end to top it all off. I didn't get to record that part because I actually ran out of space at the end. But yeah, that was basically all that we did, and that's how we achieved this look. Super pretty, super gorgeous. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video once again a thumbs up and leave me plenty of comments, and let me know if you guys want to see more transformation videos of me doing other people's makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.